Let's look at this question. Resham invested 1 lakh rupees at 6% for 5 years. Reshma invested 90,000 at 7% for 4 years, both on simple interest schemes. How much money has to be invested for 8 years at 15% simple interest rate to earn total interest earned by both Resham and Reshma? Okay, so we have Resham. He invested 1 lakh rupees at 6% for 5 years. So total interest would be 6% every year. So for 5 years, total interest would be 30%, right? And in case of Reshma, capital invested was 90,000 and the total interest was 7% for 4 years, that is 28%, right? So the total interest earned uh, on these capitals would be 30% amount is 30,000 plus 28% of 90,000. First, I need to find 30%, that is 27,000 minus 2%. 2% would be 1,800. So it would be 26 minus 800. So 25,200. So the total interest earned on these two sums is 55,200, right? Now, how much money has to be invested for 8 years at this percent simple interest? Which means I'm assuming that I'm investing this capital X and every year I'm getting 15% for 8 years. So this interest has to be equal to the interest earned on this sum. And this sum I need to earn 15 into 8, 120%. So 120% of X must be equal to 55,200, right? So I need to find the value of X. It would be, if I remove this percentage sign, I need to divide it by 100. So that would be 55,200 plus 10 upon 12. Just divided by 12. 48, 46,000. So the amount to be invested would be 46,000, or option C is the correct answer.